It's the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Reader for a discount. This is Acecook with their Maruuma, pretty popular range of varieties. This is their Tottori Gyukotsu Ramen. And this is from, it's a variety showcasing Tottori Prefecture, which I guess isn't really known for noodles. Although then they also in the same thing say that people go from far and wide to try their noodles. I don't know. The copy that they give to these things is usually pretty ridiculous and all over the place. They got to figure out something to say about it. I get it. There we go. But this is supposed to be a beef and what? Beef and black pepper kind of affair. Okay. So what else is going on? I sometimes forget I'm alone here. Anyways, yeah, so I got a note on the door yesterday that there was a package that they tried to deliver. The post office did. And it's just like, enter this thing and we'll redeliver it. Well, you enter it in and you're supposed to put your address in, which I did. It said, oh, this isn't the right address for this. But it says it's stuff from a noodle company that I expected was coming on the thing. But I don't know what the deal is, so I had to call up 1-800-ASK-USPS because I called the post office, and it rings and rings and rings and rings and rings, and then you get a busy signal and it hangs up on you. I was like, oh yeah, they never answer the phone. They're understaffed. So yeah, I sent like 37. At first I had to go through the menu, which was really lame and just as frustrating as possible. Finally, it let me talk to an agent, which took about 35 minutes of being on hold. But the funny thing is, at the beginning of that on hold, it was like, at USPS, we give you the option of choosing the music on hold music that you're going to listen to. You can have contemporary, urban, country, or hip hop. Make your selection now. It's like, I'm pushing buttons. It said, that's an invalid entry. Please try again. I was just like, you pick. And I think it picked like contemporary. That's my guess is what that was. It wasn't great. I don't think any of them are great, but you know, whatever. It's like, that was a neat feature. When I got on the talking actually to the lady, she was rad. She was really helpful. She was funny too. I told her, I was like, you know what's weird? It actually asked me choice. She's like, really? I didn't even know that. I'm like, yeah, and that's strange. I've been on hold a lot of times, never gotten that. She was rad. I gave her 5 stars on I did the survey at the end. And then like 5 minutes later, this guy calls me up. He's like, missed a call from this number? I'm thinking like, no, I didn't call anybody. Who's this? This guy named Derek. And I'm like, how's it going? Yeah, it came up as the Ramen Raider. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm a blogger and stuff, and I have my caller ID say it's the Ramen Raider. But it was a guy from the area code my phone is, which is 925. I'm not in the Bay Area. I'm up in Washington. But it's like an old number my wife had, and she gave me a phone when we first got together, and I still have the same number, so I've got a Bay Area phone number, which is kind of neat. I like that. I think it confuses a lot of people because a popular area code around here, a common one rather, is 425, so people are like, oh, they must have meant 425. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I got to chatting with him. I was like, you know, when I got your call, I was like racing out here, and I figured it was going to have a 925 prefix, and it was going to be like, hello, somebody in your household entered your name in the contest, and you won a special trip to insert place here. Thank you. You've been selected by Walmart to receive a free vacation. Those guys are irritating, and everybody knows exactly who I'm talking about. You know who they've called you too, I'm sure, huh? Sweet, beefy, and peppery, huh? Let's get you on it. Up in here. Pony up it up. And this cha-cha. Look at that cha-cha right there. Look at that. Look at that cha-cha. Peppery? Faintly? It's not bad. Nothing I'd seek out. Doesn't make me mad. I've actually had instant noodles that have like given me a really, I'm gonna use this other bowl. There we go. Using this bowl right now for your viewing pleasure. No, I want to go this way. Really hard to get used to it because the camera is like really wide. It's an S20, so it's got all these lenses. It's hard to tell which one it's using. I should just put a dot on it, but then that would cause other problems, I'm guessing. There's that. It's beef though, but I'm kind of gonna one-trick pony it. Cause I got eggs, I got chashu, and I got a whole lot of time on my hands. Oh, see. That's good enough. Slap an egg on it, as my wife's grandfather says often, from what she says. Put an egg on it. There you go. That's not bad. God, what did somebody call these things? Jammy eggs. I thought that was funny. Somebody was doing a review of a new Nissan bowl variety that they posted on my group, Ramen Junkies. And yeah, they called it a jammy egg. That sounds very, is that an Australian thing, a British thing? I don't know. I like a good jammy egg, governor. Yeah, I apologize for that. I guess, is calling somebody governor, is that like calling somebody over here like, hey, how's it going, boss? I can't stand that. There was a guy at he was a cool kid, but at the grocery store nearby here, and he used to always call me boss. He's like, what's up, boss? What's going on, boss? I'm like, oh, I don't know. I don't portend to be anybody's boss. Maybe the children. I don't think they see it that way. I guess I'm kind of an undercover boss. I keep getting emails from places asking me if I want to hire somebody. I get a lot of spam. Like a lot. I'm more interested in eating spam than receiving it. Well, I don't know. Not really interested in eating spam either. There's our jammy eggs, governor! Ah, spin, spin, spinning, spin, spinning! All right, so the next one you're gonna see is from another one that I got in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. I wish I could just like push a button and it would just automatically do that. I need a little box with like little things like, oh, what's the guy? The David Pakman Show. He's got a thing with the My Pillow guy that he just pushes a button and it says, We're doing a class action lawsuit on all machines. It's so funny. Anyways, it's a cold variety. This is Marushan Hayashi Stamina Niku Soboro Soba. And as you can see, it's got the drain spout. And it's supposed to have a chili oil and garlic flavor. It takes 4 minutes, and that will come up on tomorrow's episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Bye.